Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to English with Friends, the podcast that helps you speak English every single day, one step at a time. I'm Noah.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here right now. Seriously, just by pressing play, you are already doing something amazing. You should feel proud of yourself.
That's right. And today we have a very special, very full episode for you. We have 15 minutes together, 15 whole minutes of English practice. That is incredible.
Today's topic is something that every single person in the world does every day without stopping. It is your daily routine. Your daily routine is everything you do in one day, from when you open your eyes in the morning to when you close them at night.
And by the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your daily routine in English, not just a few words, full sentences. Things like, I wake up at 7 in the morning, or after work, I cook dinner and then I watch TV.
Real sentences, real English, real life. That is what this show is about. You are in the right place.
Now, before we begin, a quick and very important message. If this podcast is helping you learn English, please like this episode, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. It takes 2 seconds and it helps us so much.
And leave us a comment. We read every single comment. Tell us where you are from, what your name is, or just say hello. We love hearing from our community. You are our favorite part of this podcast.
Okay, are you ready? Put in your earphones, sit down with a cup of tea or coffee. Let's do this.
Let's go. Okay, Noah, let's start with a simple, real conversation. Listeners, I want you to just listen right now. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen. We will explain everything. Ready?
Sarah, how was your day today?
It was good, thanks. I had a busy morning. I woke up late at 8:30, so I had a very quick breakfast. Just a banana. Then I rushed to work.
Oh no, a banana! That is not a big breakfast. I always have eggs in the morning. I wake up early at 6, so I have time to cook.
6 o'clock? That is so early. I am definitely not a morning person. What did you do after work?
After work, I went to the gym for 1 hour. Then I came home, cooked dinner, pasta, and watched a movie on the sofa. A perfect evening. Okay, did you hear that conversation? That was a real natural conversation between two friends talking about their day. Now, let's go back and look at the important words and phrases we used. We used phrases like woke up late, quick breakfast, rushed to work, after work, went to the gym, cooked dinner, went to sleep. Don't worry, we will learn all of these today. Listen again moment. Go back and listen to the warm-up conversation one more time. This time, try to catch one word or phrase you understand. Just one is enough.
Let's start at the very beginning of the day, the morning. The first thing that happens every day is you wake up. In English, we say wake up or get up. They mean the same thing. You open your eyes, you leave your bed.
And we always use a time with these phrases. I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I get up at 7:30. 7:30 means 7:30. That's 7.30.
Let's also talk about time words. In the morning means from about 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you can say, I wake up early in the morning, or I wake up late in the morning.
Good tip. We use early when we wake up before 7 a.m. We use late when we wake up after 9 a.m. And on time means exactly when we plan. Not early, not late. Your turn. What time do you wake up? Say it out loud right now. Try, I wake up at. If you wake up at different times, try, on weekdays I wake up at. On weekends I wake up at. Great. Now let's learn the next morning phrases. After you wake up, what do you do first? For many people, the first thing is going to the bathroom.
Morning actions part 1. Wake up, get up. Leave your bed in the morning. Brush my teeth. Clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Wash my face. Clean your face with water. Take a shower. Wash your whole body with water. Get dressed. Put on your clothes for the day. Do my hair. Style or brush your hair. Put on makeup. Apply cosmetics to your face. Check my phone. Look at messages and news. Now, listen to how I describe my morning routine using these phrases. First, I wake up at 7:30. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower. I get dressed and do my hair. By 8:15, I am ready. Did you hear the word sorry used to connect the actions? First, then, after that,
by 8:15. These words tell us the order of things. They are called sequence words, and they are very important. Sequence words, how to connect your routine. First, the first thing you do. Then, next, the second or third thing. After that, following the last action. Finally, the last thing you do. Before, after, plus verb. For example, before I eat, I shower. By, time. For example, by 8, I am ready. Describe your morning actions using sequence words. Say at least 4 sentences. Start with, first, I wake up at. Then I. After that, I. Finally, I. Go slowly. Take your...
Now you are at work or at school. Let's learn how to talk about what happens during the day. This is the middle part of your routine, the daytime.
First, we start work or start class. Then we take a break. A break is a short time when you stop working or studying. Maybe you have a coffee, walk around, or just sit quietly.
Let me describe a typical day at work for me. I start work at 9. In the morning, I check my emails and have a team meeting. I take a break at 11. I make a cup of tea. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually eat at my desk. In the afternoon, I am very busy. I finish work at 6.
That's great, Sarah. And notice, Sarah said, I check my emails. This is a very common phrase at work. People also say, I answer emails or I send emails. These are all great phrases for work. What about you, Noah? What do you do at work? I start at 9. I usually have 2 or 3 meetings in the morning. I have lunch at 12:30. I go to a cafe near my office. In the afternoon, I do my main work. On busy days, I stay late, sometimes until 7. I love that phrase, stay late. The opposite is leave early. Today, I stayed late because I had a lot of work. Or on Friday, I usually leave early. Your turn. Tell us about your daytime. What time do you start? Do you have meetings or classes? When do you have lunch? When do you finish? Say it all in order using sequence words. Try for 5 sentences. Let's spend a little time on lunch. In English, we say have lunch or eat lunch. We can also say grab lunch. This is an informal way to say you quickly get some food. I grabbed a sandwich for lunch. Where do people eat lunch? You can say, I eat at my desk. Or I go to a restaurant for lunch. Or I bring lunch from home. When you bring food from home, we call it a packed lunch or a lunchbox. Are you free for lunch today? Yes. Where do you want to go? There's a nice cafe near the office. It's not far. Perfect. What time shall we go? Is 1 o'clock okay? I have a meeting until 12:30. 1 o'clock is great. See you then. Beautiful. Did you notice Sarah said, see you then? This is a common phrase to end a plan. When you agree on a time, you say, see you then. It means I will see you at that time. Your turn. Tell us about your lunch. What time do you have lunch? Where do you eat? What do you usually eat? Try, I have lunch at. I usually eat. I eat. At my desk, at a restaurant, at home. We made it to the evening. This is the time after work or school. It is usually free time. Time for yourself, your family, or things you enjoy. Let's learn how to talk about it. The most important evening phrase is after work. You use it to describe what you do when your workday is finished. After work, I go to the gym. Or after work, I come straight home. Let me describe my typical evening.